Welcome, Mike Hamilton from Trade the Easy Way. Just looking at the pound US dollar. So it's obviously the week of the pound because we have UK interest rates tomorrow and press conference after. The expectation is for a rate rise. So how have we been playing it this week? Well, we have been trading taking the dips in the pound and the pound yen. But what I'm showing you today is the pound US dollar, because before we get to the UK rate decision, I'm going to say rate rise accidentally, but the rate decision, before we get there, we've got the US decision tonight at 6 PM UK time. So the reason why I'm backing off the pound at the moment is because we've had a nice big move up here, dip down, little dip up, little dip up. So we're in this little squeeze here with this 320 at the highs, which we got close to today, and this nice little push off the support today. Let me just get a different colour because that's not very good. Right, and so what I'm looking for today is I'm hoping that at the US decision we'll get some sort of dip down into ideally 200, but 250 may be a sort of area that we may dip. Now, nobody's expecting US rates to rise this time round, so we could just accelerate and ping through into tomorrow and already get to sort of resistance levels even before we've got a rate decision. That's the way the markets are working at the moment. But if we get that drop, then that's what I'm looking for. So in the meantime, let's look at the pound yen and see what we've been doing with that one. Right, so in the members video, we've been talking about the dips, and in the scalper score, we've actually been buying the dips in the trading room. So today we bought 150. Yesterday we bought for, let me see, it was 930 down here. Okay, so what I'm looking for is we got 270 at the high, but the pre-Brexit high was actually up there, right up there at 160. Ultimately, that's what I think we may be able to get to. Obviously, we're a long way off there. We are nearly 800 pips off there at the moment. So we're 30 pips up on the day. We are 210 up off the lows of the week from the call early in the week. So that's what we've been doing. So we've been getting in at high probability, low risk trades with relatively small stops on what is now becoming a relatively big run. And as we're speaking, we're getting close to, we've already almost tested 200, 200 this morning. All right, so stay tuned. So if you're not in this, I would concentrate on the pound US dollar. So I just brought the pound US dollar daily chart back up. See if we can get a dip into 250 or lower, and then you might want to consider buying that. Otherwise, if that's not in your trade plan or in your trade risk parameters, then obviously just steer clear. Wait till we got all the zip action out of the way, because these markets can get incredibly choppy. I've seen 300 pip moves at a blink of an eye in some of these high frequency trade moves. So yeah, we've been just cautiously buying dips over the last 2-3 days, looking to see if we can just break through this. Alright, to learn these swing trade setups and these intraday scalper score setups, go to our website and come down to scalper score. Let me just show you. So come onto our website, come down to the start here, and then onto scalper score. Because if you're interested, we have a initial, don't know why that's not working. We have an initial interesting seminar tonight. So take a look at that one and click here on this post-it note here. You can see it says click here and the lower half of the post-it note. Click there, book a spot, and I'll give you a quick 30-minute introduction as to how scalper score works. So drop your details in here, click register, and join us tonight for a quick 30-minute intro as to what we do in scalper score. It's really interesting. It's a very, very simple set of rules, and it's extremely reliable. 77% success rate on these trades. Alright, so look forward to seeing us, and get that booked up, and stay tuned to these videos. Bye for now.